Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we're going to see how to solve this process completed signal line error. So I have recorded this video when this error was occurring to me. To solve this error, you have to enable USB debugging in your device, and once that is done, you have to install ADB drivers in your laptop or in your Windows laptop or Mac. So once that is done, if you don't know how to install ADB drivers, I have created videos both for Windows as well as Mac explaining the complete process how to install ADB drivers. So once ADB driver is installed, you can open your terminal or your CMDB in your Windows, and if you do ADB devices, you will see your device which you have attached via USB to your computer. And now you have to run this command adb shell, and this command, I will leave this command in the description. Once that's done, it will do nothing, but it will fix your error. So let me open my device where this error was occurring. So this is Samsung device where I have installed Kali Linux. Now if I go to Termex, you can see I have started this VNC server almost half an hour ago. It's still running without any errors. And if I go to my Kali Linux, you can see I can use Kali Linux properly without any issues. I go to trash, applications, and file manager. See, everything seems to be working properly. So I hope this video solves your error. If it solves, you can hit that like button. If it doesn't, you can comment down below. Thank you. Bye bye.